Hi, friends. I'm Chris Heidlebaugh, owner of Colorado Web Impressions, where we help Colorado small businesses just like yours succeed online. And in this video, now, of course, we do a lot of services like SEO, social media, video marketing. In this video, I want to talk about web design. So web design is so important. Your website is like your virtual business card, right? So if you saw your website now, would you want to do business with yourself? Like, be honest with yourself, right? And it's one of those things, check out your website on a mobile phone. What does it look like? We know that people are more on their devices than ever before. So you need to have a mobile first mindset. So your website needs to look great on mobile devices first before desktop, laptops, and things like that. Especially if you're in a service-based business. So if you provide some sort of service, like you go to somebody's house to provide a home service, or you are a professional, something like that, people are going to be researching your company via their mobile device. So it's very important. So when we work with you, we want to listen to your mission and your vision and what you would like to get out of a new website, right? Maybe it has been many years since you've updated your website. So you want to add video, you want to add new pictures, maybe your phone numbers change, right? It could be very simple things. And when you're ready for a new website, it could be because you're starting a new business, like you have a new startup. Maybe you're starting a new product line and so you want a separate website. Maybe it's just simply, again, you haven't updated your website in 5 years. And that seems like, man, it's only been 5 years, but I mean, there's companies that redesign their website every single year so they can stay up with market trends and things like that. And of course, there's new concepts in terms of voice SEO, podcasting, video marketing, stuff like that you might want to implement inside of your website. So I know there's a lot of nerdy talk, different jargon, may not make a whole lot of sense, but let me kind of break this down for you. So when you contact us, for an example, we want to look at, what you have going on already and offer suggestions, listen to your needs, things like that. What is it that your website's lacking that you would like to have, right? And then, of course, if you're starting from scratch, we're going to see, okay, do you have your domain name already, right? Do you have a quality domain name? That could be another question as well. If you have a lot of hyphens or dots, something that nobody's going to search for, it might be a little tough for you, right? But we're also going to look at your web hosting. So we use a quality web host here in Colorado. We use Springs Hosting. I recommend them no matter who you work with. Don't go with some of the bigger companies. I definitely recommend Springs Hosting. They'll be there for you day in and day out. After you get your web hosting, your domain name, of course, from there, we build a WordPress website for you. So we're going to install WordPress. A lot of the internet runs off WordPress, and it gives you a turnkey solution. So by the time when we're done and we present you with your website, you'll be able to maintain your own website yourself, make changes, do things like that. And of course, we do offer completely very low cost monthly services where we will maintain your website for you, do changes and stuff like that if you desire later on. And of course, there's also SEO and stuff you can do to get more leads and sales with your brand new website. So keep those things in mind. So when we work with you, we're going to look at what kind of styles do you like. We might ask you for 3 examples of other websites that you kind of like. And then we're going to provide you with a strategy and a quote. And it's going to be one of those things that, typically, I can't tell you how many companies come to us that are maybe in real estate or, different companies where they've been quoted $5,000 and above for a website. And it's absolutely crazy, right? It's very unfortunate because a website should never cost that much, right? $2,500 is like max. And that's like with a lot of bells and whistles, maybe some monthly services included with that. So, and also too, how long should this take? We've had numerous people have told us throughout the years that it took them, 3 months to get their website. And we just don't understand that. For us, when we sign with you, it's one of those things, a contract based on like, hey, these are the, what we're going to build, things like that. Typically within 3 to 5 days, we have a rough draft, working rough draft of your website for you. So basically what that means is when we give you the rough draft of your website, now we say, hey, dear, sir or ma'am, what changes do you want to make? And we start going through the process. So typically, sometimes it's a home run right away. And, within 3 to 5 days, you have a brand new website, right? And everything's good. We don't want you to have any downtime. So we look at staging websites and ways that your current website can still stay live while we build your brand new website. So it gives you a few different options. So imagine having a brand new website, built by this time next week, costing, thousands of dollars less than some competitors. And, you have a brand new you know, profile online that people can find and they can see that you are an amazing business. And that's what's so important for me is, again, showcasing you in a positive light. That's got to be a very vital number one thing, right? Because again, how many websites have you gone to where you've gone to the website and looked really nice, but then you did any kind of business relationship with that company and it really wasn't that good? Like the website didn't match up to the professionalism. But it can also work in reverse. What if your website's not very good? Let's just be honest, right? What if your website just talks about you? It's not mobile friendly. It doesn't talk about how you can help somebody. It doesn't have any call to actions, doesn't have anything. But then you really are an amazing company, right? So it's about blending these things together. And we would love to be able to listen to you, listen to your needs, and see how we can help you have an amazing web impression yourself. So don't hesitate to get a hold of me. I appreciate you so very much. Check out some of the other services we have. Make sure you watch the other videos on the other pages that we offer for SEO, social media, video marketing, and things like that. Make sure you please watch our homepages. We do have our hello video where you can learn more about us and what makes us different than the agencies down the street and across the nation. So thank you again so much. God bless you and have a blessed day.